How to treat low vitamin D on the NHS.
Measure vitamin D with a serum 25-hydroxyvitamin D blood test. UK cutoffs commonly used are deficiency below 25 nanomoles per liter, low 25 to 50, and sufficient at or above 50, though labs and guidance vary. GPs test when there are symptoms or risk factors. Treatment is a supervised repletion course. Examples include 6,000 international units daily for 6 to 12 weeks, or 50,000 international units weekly, followed by maintenance, typically 400 to 1,000 international units daily, and around 800 international units for older adults. Recheck after about 3 months. Over-the-counter supplements suit many for prevention. See your GP for confirmed deficiency, malabsorption, chronic kidney disease, interacting medications, or if high-dose prescription therapy is needed.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.